We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
And I'm Joseph Lin, 我係 Joseph Lin. And today, let's talk about birthdays. Happy birthday to you. 是不是你生日啦？
咩啊？
沒有啊
忙多，
太忙了嗎？哦，還沒到是不是？
對，還沒到就叫忙多。
哦，幾歲啦？
你講啊？
我就知道他不跟我講。I just asked Alice, how old is she? She doesn't want to tell me. Anyways, we're going to talk about birthdays, and let's say, how do you say birthday? 生日快樂這4個字 ，Happy Birthday 是一個國際的一個話了，對不對？我們要教到客家話怎麼說？
生日快樂，
生日快樂，哎，聽起來還蠻快樂的哈。好 ，That's Happy Birthday. When there's a birthday, there's going to be a birthday cake. 一定會有生日給能哥。
生日給人搞。
哎，真的嗎？哈，我就知道生日給人搞。And there's always going to be a birthday present. 一定會有生日禮物。一定是生日什麼？禮物。哎。Okay. 生日禮物。That's a birthday present. All right. Also, when there's a cake out there, you got the candles all lit up. Everyone is going to sing the happy birthday song. It's a universal song. 现在我们来教一下客家话的。
一樣哦。
對，是一樣嗎？你們還是你們有別的歌曲？
冇啦，用係愛用嘅音樂，都係唱客家話哦。
都是用一樣的音樂，但是用客家話。
唱一遍。
好，好聽。
祝你生日快樂，
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 祝你生日快樂。Okay, so that's how you sing it in Hakka. It's actually very simple. So next time you can add some variety to your birthday party. So let's review some of those terms associated with birthday. Again, 生日快樂。
生日快樂。
Happy birthday, 生日快樂。How about 生日禮物? That's birthday present.
生日禮物。
生日禮物。And then how about a birthday cake?
生日給人搞。
生日給人搞。And finally, 祝你生日快樂。
祝你生日快樂。
Thank you very much. So when is your birthday, Alice? 不講嗎？你的生日什麼時候？
我嘅生日咯。忙多啦，多嘅時間這樣送我生日禮物咯，什麼安子噻？
好啦，到時候一定還是會送你啦。That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day. 什麼大家安子噻？
張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.